this is Joyce from This Is That Creations. Today I'm joining the very talented Sandra with the Schwowin's Nest with a Thrift Flip collab. Please make sure to check out her channel. I'll leave the link down below. Like and subscribe and hit me up on my socials. Now let's get to the video. Welcome all to the Thrift Flip DIY #1. I bought this at my local thrift store for 50 cents. It was a natural wood. I stained it with the antique Waverly wax. Didn't use it. I'm using it now. I got this Hello Hobby chalk paint. Actually, my mom picked it up from Walmart for me because they're not selling the Waverly up here anymore. Not happy. Anyway, we're going to try brush so you can determine how much you want to put on your brush. It depends on what you want to do. I want to put it on the tip of my brush, but not too much. I decided I'd try a different technique than I normally do, and I just wanted to create some heavier lines to give it more of a character, stand out a little bit more. And hey, why not try something new, right? I end up loving the way it looks. I can change it around per season. It doesn't have to be for one holiday, and I love that, or just home decor. That's what you love about thrift stores, right? So I have this Waverly ink chalk paint. I kind of want to make it more of a stain, so I'm adding some water. You don't have to. You can add less. You can add more. I got these pieces at the thrift store, one of those goodie bags at the Goodwill. I love those goodie bags. I'm just saying. So those wheels came with a whole bunch of hearts, and I'm like, I need that for $1.99. So I'm going to paint the whole wheel, of course, black, and it's watery, and that's what I want. You could just paint it black and then sand off to give it more of a rustic look if that's what you like. But what I wanted to do is have it be more of a stain and be able to, yes, wipe it off with a baby wipe. And I absolutely love how this turns out. I'm going to do more projects with this technique. Just wait. Turned out super cute and worn. Look at all those three. Look how cute. See? Perfect little worn with a black touch. Loved it. I got these little wood pieces at the thrift store, 50 cents a piece. I'm going to use my Waverly Antique Wax, Swan White Hello Hobby, and then the pumpkin Waverly chalk paint. I'm going to stain the piece all over with my baby wipe from the lid, of course, front and back to give it more of a cleaner look. You could decide whatever color you like on this, but I love the antique Waverly wax look. Now I got these leaves and the stickers. I got beads, everything from, the thrift store. Go to the thrift store, people. Someone else's trash is your treasure. I'm going to dry brush some spots of this pumpkin orange from Waverly. Some heavier spots, some lighter. Just go with it. Decide what you like. Just add some character. Look how cute already. But then I'm like, wait. I need a little something. So I just used what was left on my brush from the Swan White Hello Hobby chalk paint and just put spots all over. No rhyme or reason, just to what I liked. Now these stickers, these pumpkin stickers were individual on those packs. I decided to stick them together to make a little pumpkin patch, of course. And we're just going to glue it right on with our Gorilla Hot Glue onto this plaque. And this one says, Welcome Fall with some little leaves. Super cute stickers for like $1. Loved them. Yep. Then I'm like, no, let's put some white over this just to give it a more of a character. Now that pumpkin, I already stained Waverly Antique Wax. And now I'm going to add some pumpkin from by Waverly around the edges and then dry brush a few streaks across. I love how it turns out. Now the wheels, you probably should measure exactly where you want to put those wheels. But this girl didn't. It turned out great. It was not wobbly. So if you want to guarantee no wobble, you probably should measure. But I eyeballed it. And I got it right, so it's all good. It turned out. So we're going to glue the first half, because that's what we're sticking onto the crate. Yes, we're making a wagon. Look how cute. I love how those wheels turned out. Now I got a bag for 50 cents of all these different sizes of these little blocks. Some red, some yellow, some green, some black. I use them all the time. I pick these pieces up all the time, constantly, because I know I'll use them, right? I love them. This is going to be our base for our handle, for our wagon. Now I have this dowel. Probably got it at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. But I have 2 different sizes, so one piece must have come from somewhere else. But you can get them from the Dollar Tree. I had a black bead in my stash, so I'm going to use some Gorilla hot glue, stick it on there to make sure it's secure, of course. I have this smaller dowel. I think it came in one of those goodie bags. I don't know. I'm not sure. I just have quite a stash. I'm sure y'all do too. I also have this bead in my stash I got from the thrift store. I got a whole bunch of beads. I'm going to glue that in the center, place it where I want it. Use some more Gorilla Grip glue, hot glue. You could use super glue, whatnot, to make it more of a secure hold, but this did fine, so I'm using it. Now I'm going to use some twine that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue it and twine it around, wrap it around, all that stuff. You know, you can see what I'm doing. I'm doing this because the bead I'm going to use, the center is too wide to stay on the dowel and I don't want it moving around. So I just want to, you know, beef it up and secure it a little more. So I'll put some hot glue on the twine. Then I'll find, oh, there's my roly bead. Put that white bead on for the base. You're going to have to push it on a couple times. But I want it to be tight and secure, not move around. I don't want the handle to fall off, right? What kind of wagon is that without a handle? I'm going to glue the back and on the bottom to secure my handle in place on my base. All thrift store there, guys. What? Look how cute that handle turned out. I love it. Love it. Love finding all those pieces and putting them together. It's one of my favorite things to do. Now here I have some ribbon I end up not using. I have raffia that I got from the thrift store. I got those flower pots from the Dollar Tree. And the burlap fabric there, I got a huge piece for $1. I was like, what? Who gets rid of this? I'm taking this home. So we're going to take it and lay it out. And we're going to fold it over, fold it in to the flower pot, as you can see. And we're going to make our own creases. We're not going to use any glue, any paint, nothing. This is like glue-free. Just stick it. See how I'm folding over, creating some natural creases? You can glue this if you want, but I thought, hey, if I want to change this out, I don't have to deal with all that glue. Got a styrofoam piece that someone gave me. I'm pretty sure it was my mom. I keep this stuff. Yep, I do. So I'm placing it in there. Look, no glue, no paint. Super easy. Imagine all you can do with all different holidays. How cute would they be? So this raffia came in a huge bundle. It was like red, blue, green, orange, all that. So I'm just taking out the fall colors, putting the colors I want together. I'm going to tie a knot to secure that burlap in place, you know, just to hold it all together, just in case, because I didn't use any glue. I'm going to tie a bow. I struggle with bows, people. I don't know why. Bows are not my thing. I'm like, really? I tie my shoelaces all the time. What the heck is so hard about doing a bow? But I struggle. Struggle is real. So you're going to pull it tight. You can do it however you want. You don't have to do a bow. You can do a knot or nothing at all. I'm just going to cut until it looks good. Snip here, snip there, snip there. Okay, that looks good. That's good with me. Oh, wait. Nope. Right there, too. So I'm going to tear the raffia apart just to give it a fuller look. You don't have to do this. I prefer this look. I like that more natural look. So it's all up to you and what you want. Look how cute, though. I love it. I think it's super cute. Imagine it being like a Christmas bow or something. Now these leaves I got in a huge bundle as well at, the thrift store. Look at that tie-dye color. I love it. It's traditional colors. I love it. I love these leaves. I just said that, but I said it again. So no glue again. I'm just going to stick them in the pot. Just however you want. I'm using 3. Then I only have a few pieces of my boxwood left. Yeah, I can't find that at Walmart either. Come on, Walmart. So I'm going to use what I have. You can make it fuller if you want, but this girl's using what she has, and it still turns out super cute. This Spanish moss, I love it. It's messy, but I love it. I got a huge bag for $1. Still have 3/4 of the bag left. I'll probably have it until I retire. It's all good. I love it. I'm going to stick that little pumpkin in there. No glue, nothing. Look how cute that fall decoration is. Now I got these the yellow ones and the orange one, actually. Yep, from the thrift store as well. I pick up florals whenever I can. I'm very picky about my florals. Very picky. So I got these flowers. I love them. Turned out cute. Look, all three of those, all different styles. Cute decor though. Just an idea without having to use glue. So I got these magnets off Amazon. I got small, medium, large in a bundle because I love doing this. I glued it to my plaque and glued it to the crate so that I can change it around per season. That's why I didn't paint it a certain color. I can change this around. Look how stinking cute. I love it. All right, guys, our thrift flip DIY number 2. This is super simple, but I love it. It's going in my home. So I got this bulb planter, an antique one, green. Love the color already for $1.99. Love the natural wood. Love all the rustic, right? I got this dried flower at the Dollar Tree a while back. They are super cute. I love them. I'm going to use a PRIMA transfer. I'm showing you the rust and the natural just goodness in my eye. I love that look. Natural goodness right there. $1.99. Cute home decor. So I have these PRIMA decor stamps that I picked up. They're the farmhouse one. What are they called? I don't know. I'll tell you. I'll leave a link down below. So I've decided, do I want to use these flowers or maybe this water can? I wasn't sure. I'm like, nope, the flowers. That was my original thought. I'm going with it. I am addicted to these transfers, guys. You get, for $13, you can do a whole bunch of little pieces or one big project. You can decide. And they're so easy to use and they add such character. Love them, love them, love them. You just lay it down. Make sure it's, secure and tight. Then usually the bigger packs come with a little scraper. I just use my little Cricut tool. You can use, maybe a popsicle stick, a credit card. You're going to rub until it comes clear. And if you miss a spot, you just use your nail like that. You just kind of scrape till it all comes off. So cute. Look how cute. This is so simple, but don't pass up these thrift flip finds. They are so cute in your home decor. So I'm like, what else do I want to do with this? I love it how it is, but look how simple this would be. So I have this, I told you, dried flower from the Dollar Tree, paid $1 for it. And I'm like, I'm going to use my snip snips. I'm going to cut off the end. They're too long. Snip, 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 snip. I love those things. I call them my snip snips. But I didn't like the greenery. So I thought, you know what? I just want it simple. I found a little vase I had in my stash. Stuck it inside this little bulb planter. And look how stinking cute it turns out. I love it. Look how cute this is just to put on your mantle or somewhere in your home. I love it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all the good stuff. All right, guys, our last DIY, thrift flip DIY number 3. Got this glass jar for $1, not $2, half off day, doily, wood piece, candle, thrift store. Oh, that was a lot to say. Jute twine, Dollar Tree. Got this little bottle from the Dollar Tree. I put alcohol in it. I got it from a previous tip from a DIYer. Can't remember who. And that way you can clean your glass that you get from the thrift store or Dollar Tree. You want to get a doily that you like. It could be any different color if you want. I like this white one. I paid $1.25 for it at the thrift store. You want to glue around the bottom, but it's going to be our top, of this glass bowl. You want to do it where the doily is thicker so the glue does not seep through. I don't want to do too much. You want to put a little bit on there, not all crazy. Look how cute that looks already. So I have some clothespins I got in a little baggie at the thrift store. Yep, thrift store. Don't pass up the thrift store, people. I'm going to use those clothespins to help me keep all this doily in place as I glue it. Trust me, I need all the help I can get. So we're going to do it around the whole top. See? Right there. Now I'll take one off and glue that spot using my glue finger from the Dollar Tree. Just want to glue it and kind of bend it over. Do not use too much or it'll be seeping through. Just a little bit. You'll do that with all those clothespins. You'll remove them, do that. See? Right there. At the end, look how cute. I love this. Look at that. I love when the doily is over the glass. I love it. So yeah, this piece came off of our hot sauce. I can't remember what it was called, but I kept it because that's what this girl does. I love the color of it. The shape is going to be our stem. Look how cute that is. I love that piece. Keep the tops off your hot sauce, people. So now we're going to use our wired jute I got from the Dollar Tree. Finally found some. Use that little trick you do with the, pencil. Twine it around, wrap it around. Cut with your snip snips, but keep watching. A little disappointed. Here we go. Almost there. What? That twine just fell apart when I twisted it. So I'm going to undo it, twist it again all together to keep it together. You see what I'm doing? Taking it apart and then retwisting it because I'm like, I'm not wasting this. Come on now. Nope, we're using it. So we're going to make our little curly Q. That's what I call it. We're going to take it and put it around the stem of our pumpkin. Yes, we're making a pumpkin. It's so stinking cute. I love this. You'll see how cute it will be for decor. It is absolutely adorable. So I ended up adding 2 curlies. I don't think I showed that, but I did put another one on there. Then I'm showing you, look, the wire came out. I'm not wasting this. I'm just going to make a little cute knot and hang it off the side of our pumpkin because why waste it? But come on, Dollar Tree. Usually do good, but this was a bad batch. Anytime you twisted it where it didn't want to go, it just fell apart. But I'm going to use it anyway. And it actually turns out super cute just to hang off the stem of the pumpkin. So hey, I win, right? I absolutely love this. It's so cute for home decor. So I got these pieces of little trays, saucers for $4 for $1 at the thrift store. The candle for 10 cents. Look how cute this is for your home. I love it. So hit that bell to get notified when I come on. All the good stuff. And remember, be original all you do. Just be you and have a good day.
And you ever wonder if days like